this year is promoting competence and quality of service to enhance public confidence in the judiciary. In an endeavor to deliver world-class justice, the Honorable Chief Justice picks a theme that builds on the work undertaken in previous legal years in an effort to further develop and enhance our justice system. The Judicial Service Commission is a constitutional mandate for promoting and protecting the independence of the judiciary and holding the institution accountable by ensuring that there is efficient, effective, and transparent administration of justice of Zimbabwe as enshrined in the Constitution. It calls upon all of us to ask how can competence and quality of service enhance public confidence in the judiciary. The theme is informed by the realization that the judiciary is both a legal and a moral obligation to provide quality service to the recipients of that service. The theme speaks to the understanding that provision of service has two fundamental aspects that are interconnected. On the one hand is the servant or duty bearer who has to perform legally prescribed duties according to prescribed objective standards set, not for his or her benefit, but for the benefit of the persons entitled to receive the service. Not only should the duty bearer act in the performance of the duties of the public office he or she occupies, according to the requirements of the procedures and acts prescribed by the applicable law, he or she must do so in a manner that instills a sense of justice and fairness in the hearts of fair-minded and reasonable members of the public. Insulting the courts and judicial officers will not help to have the order set aside. Such conduct has the effect of undermining public confidence in the judiciary. The judiciary is bound by the law to resist the often insidious pressure to make decisions that play to the gathering, contrary to the dictates of the facts and the applicable law. Similarly, when the National Prosecuting Authority exercises its mandate to decide whether to prosecute a matter or to decline to prosecute a matter, this is a mandate provided for in the Constitution, and it is improper for other institutions, including the judiciary, the police, and the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission to attempt to interfere with the order. The judiciary is the last line of defense when it comes to the protection of fundamental human rights. Where the judiciary makes a decision on a matter, whether it is the granting of bail or refusal to do so, or whether it is the conviction of a suspect or his or her acquittal in criminal proceedings, it would be highly improper for other institutions to purport to interfere with the process or make extrajudicial comments without legal basis, imputing corruption in the judiciary.